Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to explain you error correction. How to identify the error and how to correct the error. So here is a small information about error correction. Error correction is also called error detection. Error detection forms a substance of the reading comprehension. It forms a subset of the section of the correction. Sentence. The main aim of the error detection is to be able to identify the sentence that can be corrected. See here, the main aim of the error detection is to be able to identify the sentence that can be corrected or that needed to correct. So, whatever mistakes are there, whatever mistakes they will give, we have to identify the mistake and we have to correct the mistake. That section will follow, but here is this article. We will see how to identify wrong sentence. Okay, here is the article, how to identify the wrong sentence. See here, the following nouns are not used in the plural. These following nouns are not used in the plural. It is only singular. So, information, not informations, only information. Furniture, not furnitures, only furniture. Like that, sincere, poetry, advice, knowledge, news, politics, alphabet, imaginary, luggage, diesel, petrol, wheat, sugar, rice, water, milk, tea, coffee, weather, climate, atmosphere. These are the singular words which can't be used in the plural. Okay, see here. Here are one small example. Your informations are wrong. Informations are. This is the underlined word. It means we have to correct these two words. One information and second one is are. So as I told you, information is not a plural. Okay, it is singular. It is always used in singular, not used in plural. So it is information. So when we are writing information, the R is automatically corrected. How R is changed into is. Okay, your information is wrong. Children should learn the alphabets. Alphabets, not alphabets. It's only alphabet. So, children should learn the alphabet with joy. Here see. Here are some nouns are always used in the plural. These are the nouns which always used in the singular. These are can't be plural. But here is the some nouns which are only plural, not used into singular. Surroundings. It not be surrounding. It's surroundings. Police. Premises. Savings. Pants. Goods. Shoots. Thanks. Okay. Here is some example. Keep your surrounding clean. So it is not surrounding. As I told you, these are the plural nouns. So it is not be surrounding. It's surroundings. Keep your surroundings clean. The police has caught the smuggler. So the police not have catch the smuggler. The good is imported. The good is imported. It's not good. These goods are imported. Next. Some nouns are plural in a form, but they are used as a singular noun. These are the plural nouns, but they always used in the singular form, like a subjects. Economics, physics. It is not economic, it is not physics, it is not civic, it is economics, physics, civics, gymnastics, athletics, missiles, maps, politics, news, okay, and service. So, I hope you understand this. Here are some examples. Economics are an interesting subject. When economics is singular form, then we don't have to use are here, isn't it? So how we have to write? Economics is an interesting subject. Economics is an interesting subject. The news of the earthquake have spread like a wildfire. Okay, so it is not have, we have to use has there. The news of the earthquake has spread like a wildfire. So, some nouns and their correct uses. Here are some nouns and their correct uses. This is wrong and this is right. Cousin, brother or sister. You don't have to say she is my cousin sister or he is my cousin brother. You only say he is my cousin or she is my cousin. Okay, no brother and sister attached with the cousin. Next, brother-in-laws. More than one we will use as, isn't it? So brother-in-laws, it's not like that. Brothers-in-law, as it is same. Sister-in-laws is wrong. You have to write sisters-in-law. Next, hangers-ons. It's not like that. It is hangers-on. Lookers-on. It's not like that. Lookers-on. Okay. Governor-generals. It's not like that. Governors-general. Okay. Next. So, here are an example. Both my brother-in-laws are working in the USA. As I told you before, it's not brothers-in-law, it's brother-in-law. Okay. Both my brothers-in-law are working in the USA. It won't be brother-in-laws. It will be brothers-in-law. Okay. It will be brothers-in-law, not brother-in-laws. Okay, ma. My passers-by observed the accident. Many passers-by observed the accident. Many passers-by observed the accident. Next. Okay, I hope you understand this, ma. If you understand this, please correct these all sentences and do the homework. Okay, bye.